Sound familiar? We've all been there. Today we'll show you how to pack like a pro and avoid forgetting important things. Let's start your stress-free packing journey. The indispensable essentials. Documents, passport plus electronic copy. Save it on Google Drive. Visa plus travel insurance, most important. Money, local currency and international credit card. Money belt. Medication, your daily medications, plus painkillers, plus plasters. Now let's move on to the most important part that all travelers get confused about. Clothing. Did you know that 70% of travelers make the mistake of packing clothes they never use? Today we'll learn how to choose wisely without hogging space in your suitcase. First, the magical 5-4-3-2. One rule magic, 5 t-shirts, blouses. Choose versatile types, 1 for sports, 1 classic, and the rest for everyday use. 4 pants, skirts, jeans, plus sweatpants, plus 2 skirts or shorts, depending on the destination. 3 shoes, comfortable sports plus casual plus formal shoes, if necessary. 2 jackets, 1 light for warm weather and 1 warm, such as merino wool. 1 coat, waterproof if the destination is rainy, or a light coat for winter. Second, color coordination game. Choose 3 basic colors, e.g. black, beige, white, and 2 accent colors, e.g. red, blue, to easily coordinate all the pieces. Practical example, white t-shirt plus blue jeans plus beige jacket equals a quick outing look. Same jeans plus black blouse plus dress shoes equals a restaurant-appropriate look. Third, the art of layering. Because the weather can go from hot to cold in the same day, especially in Europe. Start with a base layer, undershirt, then a blouse, then a light jacket, and finally a coat. Use breathable fabrics like cotton and wool to prevent sweating. On my trip to Iceland, the weather was like a lottery. A sunny day like spring, and 2 hours later, bone-chilling rain and wind. A waterproof jacket and fleece layers saved my trip from disaster. And most importantly, I didn't pack my heavy coat, which took up a quarter of my bag. If you're thinking of bringing 10 pairs of socks just because they're small, stop. 5 pairs are enough, and wash them at the hotel. A suitcase isn't a washing machine. This third part will be a favorite for tech lovers. Today we'll reveal important travel tech gadgets that most travelers forget, but without them, your trip could turn into a nightmare. The Universal Smart Adapter, the most important item in your bag. Why? Because the electrical outlets vary from country to country. Japan's outlets are different from Europe's, for example. Choose a multi-port type, one with both USB-C and USB-A ports to charge all your devices at once. Portable charger, power bank. Choose a 20,000 milliamp hour battery to charge your phone 4 to 5 times. Make sure it's allowed on board. Some airlines prohibit chargers with a capacity larger than 27,000 milliamp hours. Noise-canceling wireless headphones. To protect yourself from the noise of children on the plane or the sounds of the noisy streets. RFID passport wallet lock. What is this? A wallet that blocks RFID waves that could allow cyber thieves to steal your passport or card data. Portable router for travel. Why do you need one? To avoid exorbitant roaming costs and browse the internet at high speeds anywhere. This fourth section could save your trip from disaster. Today we'll introduce you to the hygiene and emergency supplies that most travelers ignore until they encounter a situation they regret. First aid kit, not just plasters. Essential contents, medical plasters in various sizes, especially for heels and new shoes. Multi-purpose medical tape, repairs bags, shoes, and even eyeglasses. Painkillers, paracetamol, ibuprofen, plus topical antibiotics. Upset stomach tablets, very important if you eat strange foods. Keep them in your carry-on bag, not your checked luggage, in case you need them on the plane. Personal hygiene items, don't underestimate them. The essentials. Disinfecting wipes. Use them to clean your plane seat, hotel table, and even your phone. Small hand sanitizer, 100 milliliter size to pass through customs. Foldable toothbrush plus travel toothpaste. Solid deodorant, better than liquid because it won't spill. Tested tip. Keep hygiene products in clear bags to pass through customs quickly. Don't carry expensive jewelry. Replace it with cheap copies. Heavy books, use Kindle or reading apps. Full makeup kits, keep it to the essentials. One last tip, an empty bag is better than a heavy one. Backpack,